If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these plain shot glasses into these creepy but glamorous glasses, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video I am going to be making some shot glasses that are Halloween themed. So I will be using a black and an orange Sharpie. This is optional. I just want to make sure that the color is really bold. You know, sometimes when you use these jelly rhinestones, they can be a little bit transparent. So I have this orange jelly and I have this hematite jelly rhinestone that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be working with some liquid fusion glue today. I have a wax pickup tool and I will have links available in my description area if you need them. And you can purchase these shot glasses off Amazon. That's where I got a whole case of them from. And it was I already washed these glasses with soap and water. In addition to that, I will be wiping them off with alcohol. I'm going to start out by just taking my Sharpie and just kind of making a line of where the first line of rhinestones will go. Then I'll go on top of that line with the black, and then I'll just keep doing the same. This part is completely optional. I just feel like it gives it a nice fuller look in the background when you color it in with the Sharpie. Line it up where you're going to put the rhinestones, and it has a very nice outcome. Okay, so this was a bit much. I don't think I'm going to do it on both glasses. I'm going to just leave them one as is and one like this, and just see if I notice a big difference. I'm sure I will, but just to show you guys also the difference is from if you color it with a Sharpie versus if you don't. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I usually have a precision tip bottle, but I don't know. I think I don't know where they are right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started with Okay, so I'm just going to start out with a little bit of glue here at the bottom. Try your best to go in a straight line. If it's not perfect, it's not perfect. You know, the more you do this, you'll get better at it. I'm not 100%. Like, I've seen some people who do those tumbler cups. Oh my gosh. And the lines are so extremely perfect. They use all one size stone. Everything is a brick layered or a honeycomb method, and it is just extremely, extremely perfect. I don't try to get that perfect. I would like to, but I don't plan on really trying to like sell things. I'll do things here and there for people who request it that I know of. So, you know, don't beat yourself up if it's not 100% perfect. Like if there's someone else who does this way better than you, don't think that because yours doesn't look like that, that you're not doing a good job. You're doing a good job because you're trying, and you'll get better at it. So this could be just something you're making for yourself just to put on your bar stool. You may be having like a little get together for Halloween, or you may just think it's just cool to decorate for Halloween even if you're not having a gathering. These are just something so super cute. The idea just kind of popped up in my head because I'm actually not someone to decorate my home for Halloween. You know, kudos to those who do. But I just figured it would be a really nice video to put out there because I like to give people ideas on things that they could do that are like doable, simple. You know, I love to do these DIYs. So I said, hey, why not? I have some black and orange rhinestones. Why not put together a shot glass? And the funny thing is, I originally did the shot glass and I didn't add the spider. I kept looking at them like something is missing. Like I know I have the Halloween colors, but it's something still missing with these glasses. So when I finish this off, I am going to show you how it looks without the spider. Just in case the spider is doing too much for you and you don't want to go to that creepy level, I'll show you how they look without the spider on it. Once you're finished with your glass, please allow it to dry for at least 24 to 48 hours. So I am using liquid fusion. You can also use E6000. I like liquid fusion. It's more expensive than E6000. It is about $12 and I can only find it on Amazon. I like it because it has a lower, little to no smell. E6000 definitely has a more powerful smell. So, you know, it's all about preference, but they both work very good on like glass and plastics. Now, when it comes to liquid fusion, you definitely don't want to use that on a shoe. That's just a little side note. It does not work well on shoes. Okay, so I'm on to the second glass. I'm doing the same thing. I'm starting with the same color, orange at the bottom. Oh, and I think I did about 8 rows. If you're interested in how many rows I did on here, I did 8. You can go up as far as you want to. And these were 30 milliliter shot glasses on Amazon. I got a case of 24 for $16.99. Now that is not bad. It's not bad at all. Because the first case I bought was actually more than that. I lost the first case. I misplaced it in my basement. I got frustrated and just bought more. So you can see I'm almost done, and it still looks good because this one I didn't do the Sharpie method. Okay, you guys, this is the final finished result. Not the final, but this is the finished result after adding the rhinestones. When I told you, I looked at them and I felt like something was still missing. But for you who just feel like the spider is too much, this is how it looks without the spider. It's still cute though. So what I did is I cut out with my Silhouette Cameo these spiders in different sizes because I wasn't exactly sure which one would fit. I think I went with like an inch or less than an inch. And I'm going ahead and I'm just going to put this on here with this transfer tape, line that up the best way that I can. And I'm just going to take a little old card and just really smooth that on there as carefully as I can. And look at that. A big old creepy spider. Look at that. I just think that is so cute. And I do not like spiders. Don't get me wrong. I'm not into spiders. But I just really thought that was adorable. And what I did here is I added some to the bottom. I added the spiders to the bottom to give the illusion of when you look through it or your drink is over, or it may look like it's floating in your drink. Look at that. Look. It's kind of blurry, but just catch that. You see that? So while you're drinking your little shot or whatever you put in here, you're like, oh my goodness, is there a spider in my shot glass? What's going on here? Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result with the spider decal added. Again, this is either an inch or just under an inch. Like maybe it's like 1 inch high and a half an inch wide, I believe. So it just really, really topped it off, you guys. And if you don't want to go with a spider, what you could do is put like a little witch on a broom. Just type in like Halloween clip art. You could put like a little ghost on there. You could just put Happy Halloween if you want to. But it was just something about this little creepy looking spider that just really satisfied the whole look. Like it's creepy and cute at the same time. So I just really hope you guys did enjoy this video and receive some type of, you know, inspiration to either make something like this, or, you know, you may know somebody who's into spiders, you know, or it may be someone's birthday, but you know, this would be a great gift for their little Halloween birthday or a party favor if you're having like a little adult party or whatever. I had to make sure I showed you guys this angle of the glasses because it's like really magnified when you see it from the other way. Like when I showed you, it'll look like something is literally in the bottom of your drink. So I thought that was so cool, you guys. So try that out. But thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook with a friend or someone who's interested. Hello to all my new subscribers. Hello to all my subscribers. And if you're just not going to subscribe and you just want to check this video out and leave, thank you so much for stopping by, you guys. Thanks again. Bye-bye. Be sure to check out our website, myroyalradiance.com. We sell lip gloss, hand sanitizers, shoe charms, and more. Royal Beauty 10 off for a special discount off. Be sure to check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com. We sell in-waistband holsters, belly band holsters, magazine holsters as well, and much more. Use my special coupon code VIBES, VIBS, for a discount off. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. And please check out my playlist with all of the embellished rhinestone shot glasses, wine glasses, and more. Bye-bye.